In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TradeWiz plus Axiom Pro extension for faster fills. So in case you want to connect these two, this is the video you need. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, create an Axiom account. If you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out because it's really worth it. Now, once you have your Axiom account, this is what you're going to need. You first have to, of course, deposit some Solana because we're going to have to be trading with some Solana. So in case you don't know how to do it, click on deposit. Here's your address. You can just send Solana on here from any of your different wallets, or you can just directly buy Solana by clicking over here, and then you can select how much you want to buy, and they are connected and powered with Coinbase, and you can just buy via that, put in your information, and then you'll be charged, and you can get the transaction ready and buy yourself some Solana, which you can then trade on Axiom. Now, once you have that, let's now hop on TradeWiz. So to get the TradeWiz, the fastest way, you can actually search it up here. However, there's a bunch of different scammy ones which aren't the official ones, so I would just recommend clicking the link down below in the description, which is also my link. You'll be directed directly to their trading bot over here. Now, once you click on that link, you're going to have to basically start the bot. You'll have to either open it up in the web version, or you'll be able to just start it if you have the Telegram app on your computer. So after you start, this is what you're going to see. So you're going to see everything. You can just click over here, click on start, and there we go. This is the basic panel. So the first thing you want to do, first thing I would recommend, is you basically get the extension. Now, this extension is quite new. Just click over here where it says extension and then open the link. It will take you over here to their extension inside the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension, and this will add your extension to Chrome. Now, for this video, I'm just going to pin it over here. Let me find it. There we go. Now, when you then pin it, you will have to first get the access code. Okay, so once you first try to open this up, it will say access code. Please get your access code and press verify. Now, the way to actually get this, you just have to press on get code over here. I'm gonna hide this away so you actually can see my code over here. And once you basically click on get code, so I just pressed get code over here. Let me show you this once again. I clicked on get code, and then yet again, you're gonna be on this page. You can start the bot again or open it in web as you wish. I'm going to open it in web right now. And it's going to show you a code inside a box inside your Telegram. You simply have to basically click on it to copy it. It's going to say, please copy the following code. And then yet again, you want to open up your TradeWiz extension and then paste in the code and press on verify. Now, I just did this. There we go. I've hit it and there we go. Now we're in here. So as you can see, we now have the TradeWiz bot, which is over here inside the extension. What you then have to do is you want to go to Axiom over here, and if I go to polls, for example, and I click on a just random coin over here, the first one I see, you can actually use this panel over here. Now, you can use, you can see the settings, which will take you to a settings page where you can basically put in labels by amounts, etc. So anything you actually want, which you can also export and import the settings if you want to as well as reset and save what you've put in here. So let's just go back to Axiom over here. You can also click on the extension, click on the show panel. And after you do this, it should pop up your panel. Now, if this doesn't work, if the panel isn't popping up, you can simply just try refreshing the site. And then there we go. As you can see, the TradeWiz panel is now over here. You can enter in how much you would like to buy and how much you would like to sell. Now, this is the first part, and this is basically how you connect it. But of course, if you want to also connect the wallet, you'll have to do that as well. So let me just really quickly switch these two screens over here. Let me do this in just a second. Okay, so once you switch your screen, once you open up your Telegram yet again, inside that Telegram bot, this is what you're going to see, okay? So we've seen that earlier as well. And then you will have to go to wallets, okay? Now we have buy, sell, copy trade, etc. Over here you see wallet. Click on wallet, and then after you do that, you'll be able to basically import a wallet. What you should do is import your, let me just go over here, import your wallet over here, your Axiom wallet, because if you want to be trading with the Axiom wallet, it's what you're going to have to do. Now, how you do this, let me show really quickly. It says import wallet over here, and then you'll have to import the private key. So just click on import wallet. And then, as you can see, you're going to get some information. You have to ensure private key safety. Click on Confirm Import, and then you'll have to enter the private key. The way you do this on Axiom, click on Axiom, go to top right, your account, go to Account and Security, and then over here, it says Wallets. You want to click on Wallets. And then after that, you can see your wallet over here. Now hover over your main wallet, or the one you would actually want to connect, and it says over here, Export Private Keys. Click on that, follow your instructions, confirm your account, and after you do it, you'll be able to get your private key, copy that, paste it in here, and then what will happen is basically your wallet will get connected to TradeWiz bot over here, and you can then just start trading however you want and whatever you want using the TradeWiz bot for faster fills over here on Axiom. So that's pretty much that. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out, and as I said, there's a link down below in the description for everything you need to see and everything that was mentioned in this video, and you will get, of course, some percentages of the fees if you use my link. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.